Alright, let's look into this quickly. So obviously they have identical glass, each shape of it right cylinders. So that's good. Internal diameter is given to you 3 inches right here. Oops. Right there. And pour milk of the gallon and bowl, blah 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 blah. So what's the question is about what is the largest number of full milk of glass that can pour from 1 gallon of milk. So what's the largest number? So when you put it as the largest number, obviously you guys are looking into it. So you're looking at the volume. So that's good. You guys both have the pi r squared h. Volume is pi r squared h. Whenever you have a cylinder, a right cylinder. And in this one, you're looking 3 inches is the internal diameter. So obviously whenever you have the diameter is 3 inches, so basically this one says radius. We have to use the radius. So radius is 3/2, or you can say 1.5. Okay. So since the diameter is 3, radius is going to be 1.5. So once I use that one, and so it's pi, and your radius is 3/2 or 1.5 square, and your height is, say you want to have a 6 inches, so that gives you 42.41. Okay, so that's the milk volume out there. But what we're doing right now, so there are 231 cubic inches in a gallon. So once we have this one, we need to find out the ratio. So basically how many glasses that we can make out of this. So whenever the questions talks about the percent increase or decrease, the formula is difference over the original times 100. So this is the increase percentage or the decrease percentage. Okay, you need to find out the difference. How much is the difference from 2010 to 2020? So if you look at it, 2010, so what you have?
2.25.
2.25, and the other one is 2.
2.
So it's going to be 2.25 minus 2 over the original. Original means at the beginning. So the beginning is this one. So that's 2.25. Okay. And then since it is a percent, you have to multiply by 100. Okay. So if I do that one, so what you get is a 0.25 over 2.25 times 100. So obviously you can use the calculator. So it's going to get you 11.1%. Okay, does that make sense?
Mm-hmm.
So the main formula that you need to know is this, the difference. Whenever they ask you decrease in consumption or increasing, like sometimes they say like, oh, I have a shirt for $25, since because of they have a sale, it's now it is $20. What's the percent decrease, percent increase? So you always follow the same formula. This is important formula. Okay.